Hi friends, this is Ms. Yao here. This video is going to take a look at a new long division strategy that we've been using in class. And this video is geared more toward my students in my groups 2, either Ms. Yao or Ms. Thacker's class, because these are the strategies that we utilize in our class. All right, let's take a look at problem number 1. We have 410 divided by 3 equals question mark. So what I'm going to first do is I'm going to set up my rectangle, because like the inverse of our multiplication box strategy. Okay? I have 3 digits, so I'm going to split my box into 3 digits. And this would be my hundreds, this would be my tens, and this would be my ones. Okay? I am sharing my divisor is 3, so I'm going to put it here, and my dividend is 410. Okay? And what division really means is that you're equally sharing between a certain number of people. And in this case, because their divisor is 3, I'm sharing between 3 people. Okay, so let's start in the hundreds place. Okay, so if I am sharing and I have 4 hundreds, okay, I have 4 in the hundreds place, can I share that equally between 3 people? Well, let's find out. So I have 4 hundreds I'm sharing between 3 people. 100, 200, 300, 400. Did each person get something? Yes. Did they get the same amount? No. This person had 1 extra, so we're going to cross that out. Okay. So how many hundreds did we actually use? 100, 200, 300. So we actually used up 300, so we can subtract that. And 410 minus 300 is 110. Now we're going to move that over to the tens column, or tens place. Okay. Now let's think. How many tens do we have? Well, we actually have we have 11 tens, which makes 110. So we have 11 tens here that we're going to share between 3 people. Let's share them out and make sure you're labeling tens in each one instead of hundreds. 110, 210, 310, 410, 510, 610, 710, 810, 910, 10 tens, 11 tens. Well, everyone got something, but not everyone had the same amount. So I'm going to cross out these 2 extras so that everyone has the same amount. Let's count up how many tens we actually used. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. I've used 90. 110, take away 90. Well, 0 minus 0 is 0. 1 minus 9 can't do that. Turn this into 11. 11 minus 9 is 2. So now I have 20 left over remaining to split with my ones. Okay, so how many ones do I have? Well, I have 20 ones. And 20 ones I'm going to share between my 3 people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I'm at 15, but I'm going to extend my lines because it's okay if you run out of room. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Everyone got the same amount. No, that's not true. Everyone got something, but they didn't get the same amount, so I'm going to cross these 2 out. How many ones did I use? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I've used 18 ones. Okay? And so 20 minus 18 would be 2. Oh my gosh, those are those 2 remainder that I have left over. That's remainder 2. Now, I can take any of these 3 people, 1, 2, 3, but I'm just going to choose this person. Let's add up what they have. In the hundreds, we have 100. In the tens, we have 10, 20, 30, or 3 tens. In the ones place, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or 6 ones. Now, bringing that from expanded form to standard form, that is 136, remainder 2. All right, friends, let's take a look at one more example. Okay, so we have 794 divided by 6. Okay, setting up my workspace. Okay, 3 digits, hundreds, tens, ones. Okay. And I have my divisor, 794, and I have my dividend, 6. So technically I'm sharing between 6 people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, that doesn't look very neat. That's okay. All right, starting with my hundreds place. How many hundreds do I have? Good, you have 7 hundreds. Okay, you have 7 in the hundreds place. So let's share out 7 hundreds between 6 people. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700. Did everyone get something? Yes. But did they get the same amount? Nope. We got to cross out that extra. Okay. I've used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hundreds. So that's what I've used. Subtracting that, you should have 194. Now that moves to the tens place. How many tens do I have? Good. I have 19 tens. I have 19 tens. So I have 19 tens to share between 6 people. Let's share. 1, 10, 2, 10, 3, 10, 4, 10, 5, 10, 6, 10, 7, 10, 8, 10, 9, 10, 10, 10, 11, 10, 12 tens, 13 tens, 14 tens, 15 tens, 16 tens, 17 tens, 18 tens, 19 tens. Everyone has, well, something, but they don't have the same amount, crossing out that extra. Let's see how many tens we've actually used. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180. I've used 180, or 18 tens. Subtracting that, 4 minus 0 is 4, 9 minus 8 is 1. Moving that 14 over to the ones place. How many ones do we have? That's easy. We have 14 ones to split, to share. Let's share that between our 6 people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Obviously, each person has the same amount. We have 2 left over. We've used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 ones. Okay, 14 minus 12 is 2. So this little thing left over is technically our remainder. Now let's get this answer. You can choose any person, any group. I'm choosing this one for no apparent reason other than the fact that it's in the middle. I have 100 in the hundreds place. I have 10, 20, 30 in the tens place. And I have 2 ones, 1, 2 in the ones place. Your answer is, I'm going to write it off to the side because it's getting crowded up there, 132, remainder 2. Hey families, I hope this clarified some questions you may have had about our new division strategy. It's very similar to long division. It's just a more conceptual understanding. It breaks it down into hundreds, tens, and ones, whereas the standard algorithm sort of just relies on numbers and moving it down. Okay, so take a look at number 1 and 2. If you have time this weekend, solve these problems. I'm going to post up the answers and sort of the work that is resulting with the answers on our website, which is sites.google.com/view/Montluh 4th grade. Thank you.